In this thumbnail creator review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to easily create thumbnails for all of your different videos so you can get them clicked and get all the traffic. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Thumbnail Creator, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, looking to go viral with your videos, design magnetic scroll stopping thumbnails in just 3 clicks with the most powerful AI thumbnail creation app for all the video platforms available like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Be sure people will pick your videos over thousands of others without wasting hours in front of the screen. So essentially, this is going to create those nice thumbnails that you're going to have so that people will actually click on your videos. Step 1, pick your favorite template or let the AI make the best decision for you. Step 2, you shape it for your purpose, or you let the AI edit it for you, and then you're ready to publish and go. Now you can see here, this thumbnail creation industry is huge with big companies using their software in order to actually do that. But of course, with a lot of these, you have to pay large fees in order to use them. With this one, it's going to be a one-time fee in order to use the software. You don't have to worry about paying month after month. You can create thumbnails for other people and charge it as a service on places like Upwork and Fiverr, and be able to actually help people and make money at the same time. Again, you can make this for all the different platforms out there. YouTube, you can do it for Instagram, you can do it for TikTok, wherever you want to use it, you can use it here. Now, if you purchase, you get access to the thumbnail generator. You can create and sell unlimited thumbnails with unlimited commercial license, ready-made graphics, inbuilt image editors, all for a one-time price. Now, one thing I will tell you to try to do is move your mouse away on this page. I'm guessing a discount will come up. I've got the preview version, but most of the time they do downsells for this. So try and see if a discount comes up there. I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out to you, so please like this video. Okay, I'm gonna go over and play you a quick video, explain this a little bit more, then I'll be back to show you the back end area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, babe.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you have all your different designs and your templates all in one place. However, there are multiple upgrades. So the first one here is the unlimited thumbnail design, unlimited traffic, unlimited leads. So if you want to remove all the different limits and remove their branding from it, you're going to want to get this one. However, make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount. You can get a $10 discount on this and remove that price here down by $10. Let's see. They're not showing you what the price is on here, unfortunately, but you can get a $10 discount there. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, so please hit that like button. Next one that you're going to see is this is called the Stream. It's like an done for you upgrade. So they're going to do a done for you setup for you on this. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one is a template club. So they're going to add in new thumbnails every month. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. This one's an NFT generator, so you can create NFTs, move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. And then the last one is a reseller license. Where you can sell this and keep 100% of the profits. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Thumbnail Creator and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, for a one-time price, it's probably not going to be the best thumbnail creator in the world. If you want something like that, you're going to have to pay either monthly or yearly for it. This is for people who don't want to pay monthly and want to pay for something that's a one-time offer. What do I like about this? If you're on a budget, if you want something that's going to easily create these thumbnails for you and you don't want to pay monthly for it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Thumbnail Creator review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.